operation management class. In this video, we will learn about the topic that related about how we can maintain the performance of the equipment that we have, which is the maintenance. Let's see and discuss about that in this video.
In this video, we will learn the new topic about the maintenance. Of course, we heard about the word of maintenance in our everyday life. We go to the repair shop to maintain our car, our motorcycle, and we repair our equipment in the house, for example, pump, and so on and so on. This is also applicable, so this maintenance is also conducted by the company to maintain the capability of their equipment. The strategic importance of maintenance, or in this case, the objective of the maintenance is, and also it is included with the reliability, is to maintain the capability of the system. So we hope that the system is able to do as they design over the time, is not deteriorating over the time. The maintenance, what is the difference between the maintenance and reliability? The maintenance is all the activity that involve in keeping the system equipment working in order, working according to their design, working according to their performance level. And reliability is the probability that the machine or the equipment or the component will function properly for specified time. So I can highlight in here, the reliability is the probability, the maintenance is the activities. There are several types of maintenance. The first type of maintenance is, we call it the breakdown maintenance. In simple word, this is the maintenance activities happen when there is an equipment breakdown, equipment already broken, and we maintain that one. So in this situation, it is not good for the business, since when the equipment is broken, the production line should stop, in order and waiting for that equipment to be repaired. So in this case, the emergency or priority repairs on fail of the equipment. The second one, so this is the breakdown maintenance. The second one is what we call it the preventive maintenance. In the preventive maintenance, we conduct the routine inspection and servicing to keep the facilities or the component in good repair. So the component, in this case, have its own schedule to be replaced. When, for example, this component should be replaced within 1 year. So when we reach already 1 year, we should replace that component, even though that component is still working properly. So we should replace. The approach of preventive maintenance is better, in terms of reaching the capability of the system, but this is costly. The third approach of maintenance is predictive maintenance. In this type of maintenance, we predict the equipment failure beforehand and do some corrective action. So it is not like the preventive maintenance when we replace the equipment or the component according to the time used. In predictive maintenance, we try to predict when this maintenance, or exactly several period, when the component will be failure. We use several data, for example, to predict the failure of the machine. We can use sound data, and then to predict when this machine failure in the future. When the sound is changing, when they rotate, the machine is rotating, for example, and the sound is captured differently. So this is the symptom This is the symptom that the equipment will be failure in the short future. So we should stop that machine and do some repair or replace. There are several terminology. The first one, reliability, which is improving the individual component, and how we can increase the reliability is by providing redundancy, what we call it redundancy. And maintenance is implementing or improving the preventive maintenance. In this case, how we can implement or improving at least preventive maintenance. Yeah. Predictive maintenance is better if we have the capability of recording data and analyzing the data to predict when the equipment will be failure in the near future. And in the maintenance, we should increase the repair capability or the speed of repair. In order to increase the productivity in maintenance, we should involve the employees. And also, we should optimize our standard operating procedure in doing the maintenance and reliability. The employee involvement in this case is included with the partnering with the maintenance personnel. So the employee inform the maintenance personnel about what is the problem with the machine that he handled. And then there is a skill training in handling small maintenance problem, small repair problem. And then there is also a reward system to increase their motivation. And then the employee empowerment is also involved in that. The procedure, including the cleaning and lubrication, and then providing the monitor and adjustment, adjustment for the procedure that is maybe inappropriate, so we can make an adjustment, and how to make the minor repair, because if we do the major repair, it is the capability of the maintenance personnel. And we have to keep the record about the usage of the component or the machinery. So we can make a prediction. The result is, based on this approach, the result is reduction of the inventory, and then there is improved quality, capability of the system is also improved, and because of the inventory is improved, and then the reputation for quality is also improvement of quality is also leading to the reputation for quality. We make the continuous improvement, and variability is also reduced. How we can calculate the reliability of the system? The reliability of the system is a multiplication of the reliability of each component. So consider we have the n component in the system, n component in the system. So reliability of the system, RS in this case, is multiplication of component reliability of component 1 multiplied by the component 2, 3, and so on until the component number n. So for sure that the reliability of the system would be much lower than the reliability of the component, as we can see in this figure that if we have n component, the reliability of the system is this high. So this is above 90%. But when we have this one, when we have 10 components interacting each other, the reliability of the system is decreased about 60%. And also when we have 50, when we have 100, and we have 200, the situation is like this one. So the reliability of the system is decreased quite exponentially. The simple example of how we can calculate the reliability is, consider the situation where the system consists of 3 components. Component number 1 has reliability of 0.9. Component number 2, 0.8, and component number 3 is 0.99. So the reliability of the system is equal to multiplication of reliability component number 1, number 2, and number 3. So when we multiply this one, so in total we have reliability of 0.713 or equal 71.3% reliability. So that is all about the introduction to the maintenance. So we will discuss about the technique and method in maintenance in the next video.
Thank you so much for joining me in Learning Operation Management. See you again in the next video.